Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Welcome to my video on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar EA for MT4 and MT5. This EA is completely free to use. You can download it using the link in the description below. In this video, I'm going to run through the various settings and the ways in which you can implement it within your own trading strategy. Okay, so here we have the MT4 platform. As I say, you can use the EA in MT4, MT5. So we have the strategy tester window here. I've got the EA loaded up, the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar selected here. For the model, we can test with open prices only because the EA uses open prices for calculating the prices. However, you will want to switch to every tick when it comes to fine-tuning settings because this will count for intrabar prices, which is important when it comes to things like stop loss, take profit, trailing stop break even, so on and so forth. But for initial testing, we can use open prices only. It's just a lot faster. You can select your dates, testing dates. I'm just going to select the past year or so here. You can choose your chart time frame and go with 1 hour charts just because they contain less noise. Obviously, if you're scalping, you can use lower chart time frames. If you're swing trading, you might want to use higher chart time frames. But for day trading / swing trading, the 1 hour chart can be decent. Spread, we use the current market spread. Obviously, if you're testing on the weekend when the spread may be higher than usual, you can adjust this to something more realistic. Expert properties, so we've got all the properties here. Okay, you can adjust them as you deem necessary. What the EA does is basically has everything you need for money management, technical indicators, more or less every indicator, or the most popular ones you'll find in MT4 and MT5 are included. You can set them to true or false. You can adjust the various settings as well. For example, with the envelopes indicator, you can have it set to trade reversals or breakouts. If you want to trade with a breakout of the upper envelope, lower envelope, or a reversal, you can set accordingly. Same for the other indicators. You've got the CCI, for example. Here you can have it not extreme or have it so it has to be extreme. Okay, RSI as well. So you've got more or less all your common indicators that you're probably aware of. Got your MACD, so on and so forth. We've also got candlestick patterns. You can set them to true or false as well. Okay, if you want to confirm any entries with candlestick patterns, or you can have no pattern here set to true, in which instance you can take a trade regardless of there being a candlestick pattern or not, provided obviously all the indicators that you have set to true line up. Okay, instructions are included. I'll explain all the settings and details. You can have alerts. Okay, you can set the EA to trade for you. You can have it to trade and send alerts as well. One or the other, it's up to you. You've got your days filter, your hours filter. You can close at certain hours. You can close on Friday. If you don't want trades open during the weekends, perhaps you want to close trades prior to the rollover. Maximum spread, maximum slippage. To avoid trading during unfavorable market conditions, you can use fixed lots or risk, calculate lots based on the risk percentage you set here. You've got your stop loss, take profit, hedging, true or false. You can terminate the EA once the minimum and maximum equity is reached. Got your break even point, your trailing stop point. Everything you'd really need all in one convenient EA, which is completely free to use. Okay, please help yourself to a copy using the link in the description below and like and subscribe for more. Catch you on the next one.